In this video, we'll explore the foundation of genetics, Mendel's experiments with pea plants, and how they led to the modern understanding of inheritance. Gregor Mendel, an Austrian monk, discovered the basic principles of heredity by experimenting with pea plants in the 1800s. His work laid the foundation for modern genetics. Mendel used pea plants because they had clear, contrasting traits, could self or cross-pollinate, and produced many offspring, ideal for studying inheritance. Before we dive into Mendel's laws, it's important to define some key terms: genes, alleles, homozygous and heterozygous, genotype, and phenotype. Genes are the instructions for a trait. Alleles are different versions of a gene. Homozygous means having two of the same allele, both uppercase A or lowercase a. Heterozygous means two different alleles, for example, an uppercase and a lowercase a. Genotype means the alleles that you have, and a phenotype is the trait that you see. Mendel's first law, the law of segregation, states that each organism carries two alleles for each trait, and these alleles separate during meiosis so that gametes receive only one. Here's a simple monohybrid cross example. Crossing two heterozygous pea plants produces a 3-to-1 ratio of purple to white flowers. Mendel's second law, the law of independent assortment, states that genes for different traits are inherited independently of one another. This explains genetic variation. In a dihybrid cross, like round yellow crossed with wrinkled green peas, Mendel found a 9-to-3 to 3-to-1 phenotypic ratio, evidence of independent assortment. Mendel's discoveries are still central to biology today. His principles allow us to predict inheritance patterns and form the basis for many AP and IB exam questions. Remember, the law of segregation, the law of independent assortment, and Punnett squares are essential tools for understanding and predicting inheritance. These concepts appear often on exams, so make sure you can explain and apply them. For more tutorials and test prep videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dr. B's Tutorials.